Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Gas prices are going up by $1.26 tomorrow after a brief respite last week. 25 cents will be shaved off the price of automotive diesel, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 77 cents. Kerosene will cost 25 cents less. Propane is up 36 cents and butane will cost 25 cents more. Oil prices fell more than 2% today to close down for the day and March. Oil for delivery in May settled down $1.39 at $59.16 per barrel. Medicinal ganja stakeholders are lobbying for the use of medicinal hemp in the fight against COVID-19. The stakeholders argue that the move could rake in billions for Jamaica. Andrew Laidley has a story.
Dr. Heinz Peter Becker is a clinical psychologist, acupuncturist, and naturopathic doctor. He argues that ongoing Israeli research, which started in 2017, has proven that medicinal hemp can be used to strengthen the immune system against the coronavirus. He says it's another opportunity for the medicinal ganja industry for Jamaica.
My herbal products, when we export them, Jamaica benefits. When CBD is exported from Virtues, then Jamaica benefits as well. This is something that helps us financially as well as from a health perspective.
He noted that this is already happening in other countries around the world, including the United States.
So in America, for example, and in most of Europe and a lot of countries around the world, you can buy CBD products in a gas station or not just a pharmacy, in any kind of convenience store. It's not just about the immune function alone. It's about all of the other benefits. And the Ministry of Health is aware. Like I said, we've had many conversations with the Ministry of Health, and they have been helpful. And I would like to see more of a response from the Ministry of Health and the government so that we are able to make CBD products available to everyone. It's not something that makes you high. It's not something that is controlled like THC is, but it is something that is safe and effective.
Dr. Becker, however, stressed that medicinal hemp is not a cure for COVID-19, adding that it should be used alongside COVID-19 vaccines.
Both systems need to work together. So we need to have a complementary system of mainstream drug and surgical medicine with alternative medicines, right? Or complementary medicines that include things that increase your quality of well-being psychologically and also immunosupportive, for example, especially in dealing with something like COVID. So both systems work together. They're not against each other.
Medicinal hemp is a variety of the ganja sativa plant species that is usually grown specifically for industrial use. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
We go down to currency trading. It ended today with the US dollar selling for $146.58. The Canadian dollar sold for $120.15. The pound sterling is going for $202.83. While the euro closed at $174.40. And the JSE index gained 2,055 points today, while the junior market index went up 13 points. Among today's winners were Salada Foods, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, 1834 Investments, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. On the losing side, Siboney Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Margaritaville Turks Ordinary Shares, Knutsford Express, and Jamaica Producers Group. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories when we return.